Now the statute, which is Assembly Bill 10, the actual statute is one sentence. One sentence, and it reads, notwithstanding any other provision of this part, on July 1st, 2014, the minimum wage for all industries shall not be less than $9 per hour. So July 1, 2014, if you yourself have any employees that are paid $8 an hour, which is current minimum wage, they automatically get a raise to $9 an hour. Then on January 1st, 2016, it goes up to $10 per hour. So this doesn't sound like huge changes, especially for lawyers in a law firm. But how many of you help corporations or employers in your work? Corporations or employers? So this affects them and them as well, so your clients will be impacted by this. But it doesn't affect just your hourly non-exempt employees. That bill has impacts on other areas of the laws, which also focus on how somebody is paid. So I'm going to give you two examples of where this comes into play. Have you heard of the term exempt and non-exempt? Okay, so exempt, for those who haven't heard, every company has a wage order that they have to post in their workplace. If you don't have a wage order, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, let me know, give me your business card, and I will get you one. Lawyers, law firms, we have to comply with Wage Order 4. It's IWC Wage Order 4. If you want to Google it, you can type Google IWC Wage Order 4. That's the wage order that generally applies to law firms. There's 17 different wage orders. So when we're talking about exempt or non-exempt, we're talking about exempt from the wage order, I mean the wage order doesn't apply. But in order for an employee to qualify as an exempt, depending on which exemption, they have to be paid at least twice minimum wage on a salaried basis. So as soon as minimum wage went up, what does that mean? The salary requirement is going up as well. Okay, and for 2000 and when it goes up to 9, the minimum salary they have to earn is going to be $37,440. If anybody who earns less than that, there's very little black and white in employment law. Anybody, though, who earns less than that dollar amount automatically is not exempt. And what does that mean? Record keeping, overtime, meals, rest breaks, a lot of rules start coming back into play. Okay? In 2016, when it goes up to $10 an hour, the minimum salary is $41,600. So I don't know if any of you have associates who earn lower than that, but if they do, then they're going to be non-exempt. So automatically they get a raise. Okay? And by the way, the salary is just one element of the exemptions. There's professional exemptions, executives, administrative. There's a whole host of duties, but the very bottom element is twice minimum wage on a salaried basis.